Hi everyone. So today we have BMW Bavaria C electronic cassette radio player from 1980s. It's original BMWs, fits to probably any BMW up to 90s. And we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one also. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use Bluetooth, okay? We kept our all original looks, so basically nothing's changed. Okay, let's try forward. Now backwards. Reverse mode. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Camera don't focus very well, but all lights are okay. You will see in the pictures. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to go from FM mode to middle waves mode. Okay, so simply press U again. Oh no, sorry, M. So now you are on Bluetooth mode. Let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Wait few seconds. And here it is. That's it, it's connected. Now we can go to YouTube and play any music you want. Cool, right? Radio itself is in amazing shape for its age. When you want to back to your regular FM mode or cassette deck, simply press U again, and now you're back to your FM mode. It's very simple to use. Thumbs up, guys.